Hello folks, this is Hoosier Sasquatch here. I want to do a review of a knife I got for Christmas. It's an Elk Ridge ER-556 knife. I received this as a gift, and I was intrigued by the obvious quality of this knife. In spite of its price, I decided I needed to do a review. This knife is made in China. Now that tends to summon negative thoughts, as in cheap or poor quality. But like it or not, some Chinese products are pretty good quality. This, coupled with the affordability you get with their cheap labor force, makes these knives really tough competition for our domestic manufacturers, especially when it's smaller knives or folders. But this company actually makes quite a few big ones. Let's see. This knife here, particularly for the price, which is around $14, is unusually good. Looking at this, you can see immediately it's a pretty good value. It's a very well built knife. Plenty of well placed and sturdy screws. See that? It's got a steel bolster there. The fit and finish is really good. You can often tell a lot about a knife, how the wood and the steel matches up. Very even on this knife, like it is on much more expensive versions. Also, you can take a look at a knife. Let's see if you can see that. See how evenly this blade is centered in the handle. A lot of cheaper knives, and I'll use this infamous Winchester as an example, are not that way. I don't know if you can see that, but see how it goes way to the side. Sometimes there's a functional reason, but usually it's just an indicator of how poorly put together something is. Also, you'll see the wood and the steel. The two steel ends here do not match up. The wood, there's gaps. Things of that nature. Usually the steel is of poor quality. Enough of that thing, though. But this, it doesn't have, unless the 556 denotes some type of steel, and I couldn't find that. I did a search on it. I cannot find out exactly what kind of steel this is. It is, the edge is very sharp. I shaved some hair off my arm. Let's try the old paper thing right here. Look at that. I mean, this is a sharp knife. Now, otherwise, some of the features, I like the way it fits the hand. Very ergonomic. The little lever here that you use to flip the knife open, now this is one knock against it, because no matter how hard you try, you cannot flip that sucker open. Not a real big problem, just a minor criticism there. But I was just amazed of how good this is made at that price. I mean, a $14 knife is usually just duh. They sell a lot of different knives. They sell fixed blade hunters, gut hook models, all kinds of your typical designs. There's not a lot of information about them. I couldn't find a website or anything. I mostly just found them for sale. They're probably made by the millions in China somewhere, but like I said, this is the kind of product that keeps American manufacturers up at night because it's actually good, you know. In case you were thinking about getting one of these, I just thought I'd post this short review and tell you that I was impressed. I wish I had more information, but I don't. Once again, that's the Elk Ridge ER-556 folder. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless you.